hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another video. So today is gonna be the review and swatches of the K Beauty's new launch, which are the K Beauty's matte blush range. I picked up the 7 shades. I couldn't get the 8th one, which was mild berry. I think that's what it's called. Because it was just not getting dispatched, and it was around 2-3 days and didn't get shipped. So I assumed that it might have been out of stock, so I cancelled it. But to look on the bright side, I bought the other 7 shades. This is the way the packaging of the K Beauty's matte blush range looks like. So basically the usual packaging of all K Beauty products are like this. They have the prints on this side over here on every package, and then they have a color indicator over here. They had it on the lipsticks as well, and they have it on the highlighter boxes as well, which is a really good thing. The packaging as usual of K Beauty is very neat and sophisticated. So I'm going to open the box of the shade Deep Plum, and the box inside comes with this cushion like protection inside for the blush apparently, which is a good thing. And this is the way the packaging looks like. As usual, the K Beauty's rose gold packaging, and then you have the print. Okay, hello, you guys can see my DSLR, but as usual the print, you guys can see it's always there, and it's a reflective packaging just like the other K Beauty products. Moving on to the swatches, I'm going to start with the lighter colors first, which I feel would be more natural, and then moving to the pinks, and then moving to the deeper mauves and plum color.
So the first shade I have here is called Neutral Nude, and this is the perfect everyday nude wear. It's a perfect neutral tone nude color, and it's a very everyday wear blush sort of color. I really like this color. I think this would be like my everyday blush because it's very soft and it's very elegant as well. I think this would go well with, I think, lighter to medium skin tones. The next shade I have here is called Sweet Salmon, and it's a perfect light coral pink color. It's a very light blush. You guys can see how it looks on my hand, and I really think that only fair to medium skin tones can give this shade a try. I don't think darker skin tones can go ahead with this blush. The next shade I have here is called Coral Charm, and it's a perfect mid-tone coral shade. It's a true coral color. I think medium to darker skin tones can also give this shade a try and build up the color enough for it to show up. The next shade I have here is called Dusty Rose, and it's a perfect dusty pink color. I think this shade will also suit medium to fair skin tones. Darker skin tones can give this shade a try, but I really feel they'll have to build up the color considering how light it is. The next shade I have here is called Tickled Pink. It's a neutral tone pink color. This shade I think will go ahead with most of the darker skin tones because it's intensely pigmented and it's a really dark pink shade. It's not that dark pink, but it's a really perfect mid-tone pink color. The next shade I have here is called Sugar Candy, and it's a very light pink shade. I think only light to medium skin tones can give this shade a try. The next shade I have here is called Deep Plum. This is a perfect neutral plum color, and I think all skin tones can give this shade a try considering the shade and the intensity of the pigmentation.
So we're done with the swatches, and seriously guys, to be honest, giving honest reviews, I really like the texture of these blushes. Even though they are matte, they are very soft. Like the texture of the blush is really soft. You guys can see the pigmentation as well is really good, that if I just swipe it over here, you guys can see that not much is left on my fingers, and so is the case with the brush as well. So not much of pigment is sort of left back, so everything is just pushed onto your face and it's just like settled onto your skin. The powder feels very soft on my face as well. Like when I was applying it also, I really like the texture of the blushes. When it comes to the pigmentation as well, you guys must have seen that the blushes are really good, and the pigmentation is fairly good compared to the rest of the blushes. I really feel that it's very easy to build up the color as well, and even while applying the first time also there's good pigmentation. So if you want to intensify the look, I really feel that you can add on more powder. But even if you're adding more powder, I think after up to a point where you've applied a lot, then it starts looking a bit cakey and powdery. But you guys must have seen that I went on adding a lot of layers and it was not looking much powdery or cakey. So I really like the texture and the composition of the blush. So you guys can see here as well that I'm just smudging it all over, and it's just like smoothly applying. It's literally, my skin is really smooth over here, so I really feel that even though it's a powder matte blush, the texture and the consistency of the blush is so good that when you just smudge it or spread it all over your face, it just gives it a even canvas or just smoothens your face out a bit. And you guys can see that every time I applied the blush, it just highlighted my cheeks on top, so it just gave my face a good definition, which other blushes are not able to do. So usually every time we need a highlighter to do it, but you guys must have seen that it just gave a good definition to my face. So these blushes are a go, seriously, considering the price at which they're priced at. I think they're $7.99 per piece. So if you're getting so many benefits in this much amount of money, I really feel that these blushes are a go. I really liked the compact packaging. It gives around, I think, 8.5 grams of product in $7.99, and that's a good amount. So basically, even when it comes to the formula of the blush is really soft. It's really smooth, and K Beauty just describes it to be like an extreme matte finish, and it's a weightless formula and it feels feathery on your skin, which is true. Seriously, like I swatched it on my hand here, and you guys I'm just like touching my skin, and it's so soft, it's so smooth. Even my cheeks are so smooth. I really feel, like I said, even if I try to build up the color more than this, it will not give me a cakey look. Apart from that, this blush is enriched with avocado and mango butter, and also vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, so it moisturizes your skin while you're applying it. And even in the description it says that it's a lightweight formula, it's a high definition blush, and it's intensely pigmented, which I agree on. And it's made of ultrafine particles, so that also is a tick. And it's a blendable and buildable formula, which I agree onto this, like I think 100%. And it's enriched with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. So it's like the beauty which cares with a K. So yes, I really like these blushes, and I think these blushes are a go, considering the price at which they are priced at. I really feel that they gave my skin a really good definition, and like upgrade to my face, and just made my skin and my face look really pretty. You guys must have seen that in the video, like while I was applying it versus while I didn't have the blush on my face. So hope you guys like the video, and hope you guys like the swatches, and I'm going to be attaching the link down where you guys can buy these. So these blushes are like, I think, a complete 9 on 10 for me. Why 9? Because I think they could have added a bit more shades, but apart from that as well, I really feel that they did the job, considering it being an Indian beauty brand, and it knows the Indian market. So kudos K Beauty. I really like these blushes, and I really recommend you guys have a look at this and have a look at these blushes and buy them if you like. And obviously go ahead, and if you're thinking of purchasing them, these blushes are worth it. Seriously, you guys saw my face and how everything happened. So hope you guys like the video, and do subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. I post there a lot. So hope you guys like the video, and see you guys soon.